Hello, I'm Colm Crotty, your go-to realtor in Central Ohio, including areas like Dublin and New Albany. Today, I'm excited to share insights on one of the most important decisions in home buying, choosing between a new build and pre-owned home. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, understanding the pros and cons of new construction can be a game changer in this market. So let's dive in. Minimal repairs and renovations. New construction homes rarely require immediate repairs or renovations. Everything is new and in working order, saving you from unexpected costs post-purchase. Customization options. Depending on the construction stage, you might have the chance to make design choices like paint colors, flooring, and fixtures, tailoring the home to your taste. Lower maintenance costs. With everything from plumbing to appliances being brand new, you can expect lower maintenance costs for the first few years, offering significant financial relief. Warranties for peace of mind. Most new builds come with warranties covering defects, providing protection that isn't always available with pre-owned homes. Up to code construction. New homes are built with current building codes, ensuring safer and more resilient structures, which is especially crucial in areas prone to natural disasters. Builders often offer lower interest rates and other financial incentives, making new construction an appealing option in today's market. For instance, a builder might offer a loan at a lower rate than the market average, significantly impacting your mortgage payments. Better resale value and modern layouts. New homes often retain their value well, with potential for increases once the development's complete. Plus, modern floor plans align better with contemporary lifestyles. Community amenities. Many new constructions are a part of communities offering amenities like gyms, pools, and social activities, enhancing your living experience. Higher initial costs. New constructions typically come at a higher price tag compared to pre-owned homes. This includes a higher cost per square foot and potentially extra charges for upgrades. Longer build times. If the home isn't already built, the wait time can be significant, sometimes exacerbated by supply chain issues. This requires some flexibility and patience from the buyer. Sparse initial landscaping and the community. Early stage developments may lack mature landscaping and neighborhood amenities, which take time to develop. Higher property taxes. Newer communities sometimes have higher taxes due to the cost of developing infrastructure. As a realtor serving Central Ohio, I believe that understanding these pros and cons is crucial. While new builds offer modern conveniences, warranties, and potentially lower interest rates, they come with higher costs and longer wait times. It's about balancing your immediate needs with long-term goals. If you're considering a new build or have any real estate questions, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you navigate this market and find the perfect home for you and your family. Remember, your dream home might be a new construction away. Thanks for watching. For more insights into the real estate market and home buying tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're in Central Ohio and looking for a home, contact me, Colm Crotty. I'm here to guide you through every step of your real estate journey. See you in the next video.